Welcome to my crib. Let me show you around. This is the living room and bedroom and kitchen. These are my friends, the mosquitoes. They hang out here all the time, dude. Quit fooling around. Let's clean up the place. Putting away all kinds of little branches and twigs that I don't need, but I might need them later for the fire, so I'm not going to throw them away too far. I'm just splitting them into smaller pieces and I'm collecting them here, right? Okay, do you see what I'm doing? Hope so. I hope I will not disturb any forest demon or anything like that. I don't want to be sacrificed here for some kind of ritual. The rain is very close, so I need to pull up the roof. Check it out. So I got this thing from my good friend Srogeee, which is a housekeeping store chain in Hungary. I don't know if you have this in your home country, but this is basically a giant, I don't know what this is, but it's waterproof, okay? The idea is the following. I got this hole, put this thing up here and put it back to the hole, like this. Coming through. Now I'm putting a long thin branch here, and this is going to be the roof. Excuse me while I do that. Almost done, guys, almost done. Like this. That is fine, right? I just need to use some tying knots to tie this to the tree, and we're good. Protected against rain. I've put on my jacket because there are plenty of mosquitoes. I can't stand anymore. I don't want to share my blanket with any of the creatures in the dead leaves, so I'm cleaning this place a little bit. Don't need that. None of these. Okay, good. This bad boy is going to be my bed once again. Oh, can't wait to lie down. I was walking like 4 kilometers in this wild area. You cannot see my face, my head, right? Never mind. It's just a mosquito meal. I'm tying knots like I knew any. They're even going to my eye. My eyeballs are now scratchy. I don't know, guys, if you can see it, but the hammock is up. Here it is. Strong. Oh no, the rain is coming down. Come inside, my friend, come. I don't want you to get wet. Oh jeez. I lit up the tent, and as you can hear, the rain is finally here. Now allow me to get me some firewood and start the fire. I need to make haste and get myself some nice firewood and put it to a place where it doesn't get wet. And my tent is almost ready. We're fine, we're fine. I need some big logs as well, because that's enough for starting the fire. But to keep it up, yeah, it's fine. What's about this? Long one, tall one, okay, cool. This one is good. Come on, let it go, man. There it is. There's a big boy. Ah, it's very rotten. I don't know if it's not even that dry. Not good. Maybe that one. By the way, I don't want to drift away too far away from my camp, but this is really necessary. Okay. This part is not good, but this one might be. Look at these people. Look at all my firewood. Looking nice and sexy. I think we should light them up, right? Some of them are pretty wet. I really hope that they will catch fire easy. Jesus, the mosquitoes are everywhere. I hope this firewood will generate some smoke as well, and it will drive away these mosquitoes. They're killing me. My camp is set. I got my firewood. I got my roof. I got my hammock. The one thing I don't have yet is the fire, and it's been raining quite a lot for the last half an hour, and I'm afraid I will not be able to light it up. As you can see, I made a little bed for the fire again, because the ground is very wet right now because of the rain. But I really hope that I can light these things up again, because it will be much harder now than it was last time, because there was no rain then. Now this is rain, and there is everywhere. But there's a challenge, right? The bottom layer is down. Let's put on the small branches and twigs and little things that can catch fire easily. I need to try and do it with the flint. Really need your help, guys. Wish me luck. Subscribe and like. It's already wet. And mosquitoes are eating me. Never mind, I can do it. I can feel I can do it. Come on. Yes, we got fire. Hope we can keep it up. I don't know though. It's only the napkins. That are burning right now, not the wood. And that's no good. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You can do it. Let's go. Come on. Hey! Mosquito in my throat. Oh no, not working. First attempt failed. My plan for the next try is to really make a difference between big and small branches. And this time I'm going to build a little triangle. Second try, guys. Never give up, campers. Yep, second try, and we have a lift off. Let's go, boys! Come on, little small branches, burn! You can do it, burn! Is this a fire? Is it really? If it is, then I'm going to be very happy. When I set fire in the rain, watch it burn. I hope my hammock will not be burned down. We got smoke. Take that, mosquitoes! Guys, look at the smoke here. Look at this. Smoking. We got the fire going. Let me tell you what is going to be today's dinner. It's gonna be chicken wings, barbecue and honey. Great. Let's put them to the spear. Okay. Let's break the box. Unboxing with Srogeee. And today we're unboxing chicken wings. I hope my hands are not that dirty, but if they are, then I'm gonna eat dirt today. I don't really care. Okay, so I got this spear. It's pretty long. I'm gonna put all the chicken wings through this at the elbow area, like this. Here. Oh, I'll need to make a little bit more sharp, a little sharper. Like something like this. Now I'll be able to do that, right? Pierce the skin. Oh, chicken skin is pretty tough. Not gonna lie. Maybe I should make the pierce with my knife instead. Come on. Okay, got through it. Let's put it on. All right. First one in place. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. Fine. Come on. Look at this beauty. The chicken wing kebab is ready. Let's put it into the fire. And let's roast them. Oh, good. Looking good, man. Looking kinda nice. It's still raining a little bit, but not that much. I got my fire going. Everything's cool. It's pretty cozy here. At least this time I was smart enough to get myself a long spear to roast the chickens. Look at this, how far I can reach out with this. I don't have to be too close to the fire to burn myself and burn my face. Look at these roasted chicken wings, guys. Man, they look very tasty. Do you think they're done? Some of them are even burnt a little bit, but maybe it's just a nice ways to say I'm ready. Let's give it like 5 more minutes. At 10 we're going to continue with the onions. The rain is moving away. It hardly rains anymore. I can hear some drops here and there, but that's it. I think you would enjoy this trip. This adventure is getting pretty nice. The time's almost up. Let's take a look at these guys. Poke them with my knife to see if they're soft or not. Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful chicken wings. It goes right through. So it looks like we're going to have chicken wings tonight. Now it's onion roasting time, and also water boiling time. I hope it will be ready soon. I'm hungry as hell. I just found the matches. It was right here under the blanket. Well, fortunately I'm a pro survivor and I can set fire in the rain with the flint. Good job. Bear Grylls will be proud. Guys, I heard noises from very close to here. I'm trying to find out what it was. I can see nothing, and this area of the forest is very dense. There shouldn't be nobody coming here. Unless they're crazy like me. But just to make sure that I'm alone here, with no wildlife around, I'm gonna sing my little song to scare them away. Who let the dogs out? Who? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who? This will do it. I'm making myself a tomato soup. Man, this is going to be so good. The water is boiling. I'm applying the soup. As far as I see, that it has some pasta in it too. Good. Smells some kind of a kennel around. But the water was clean, I swear. Okay. They are pretty hot. I don't know if they are ready or not, but we will give it a try. 5 chicken wings, 3 onions, and a mug of tomato soup. Bon appetit, guys! And now, here comes the taste test. Let's start with the onion, shall we? clay. I don't know how can this be possible, but they are still raw inside. How? Last time it was fantastic. Let's eat only the outer layers. Let's keep going to the chicken wings. How am I gonna eat them? Like I do it in KFC. Split it in half. It's still warm inside because it's steaming. See? Do you see the steam? Do you see anything behind me? I hope not. That is very good. A+. Very nice. I was worried about this to be raw because my campfire couldn't sustain a nice temperature like in the oven. But it's just fine. Very good. Let's see how the tomato soup tastes. Still quite warm. It's like a tomato soup. Good. You can feel that it is an instant one. But that's just fine for me now. Let me finish eating. And I will see you guys again from the hammock. Guys, as you can see, the fire is slowly dying. And now it's smoking so bad. I feel like I'm gonna cry soon. Not because I'm sad, but because it's stinging my eyes so bad. I am in the hammock now. It's past 11 p.m. so we're almost at midnight. It's time for me to go to bed. But before I do that, I want to talk to you a little bit how I feel. Honestly, I feel so much comfortable now. The first night out was pretty terrifying for me because it was a very new and very strange experience. But today, I feel like I'm more confident. Guys, welcome back to the segment called Campfire Karaoke. That's right, you guessed it right. Today, I'm going to sing you a song from Billytalent, my favorite band of all time. The song is called Saint Veronica. Check this out. They found an empty bottle on her windowsill the day her mother lost her sleeping pills. She was sick and tired of being visible, but to see in color when you're miserable. Veronica, Saint Veronica, you can't leave this world behind. So please, strong enough to hold on to us. It's just not your time to die. Dear God, it's just not your time to die. Well, it looks like that's all, folks. For tonight, at least. See you tomorrow morning. Good night, campers.